Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video tutorial we will learn about data grid view in C#. In this we will populate a data grid view and then implement the search in a data grid view. So let's start. So first we will create a new project. It will be a Winforms app and we will name this data grid view demo and click next and click create to create the project. So now our project is created. So first we will drag a text box and data grid view to this. So I'll go to toolbox and search for text box. I'll drag it here. I'll expand it a bit. And now we will go to toolbox again and now we will search for data grid view and we will drag it. Now I'll expand it. So now we will create the form load event. For that we will double click on this form. So it is created here. We will write some code. But before that, I will create a class here. And here we will create the setter and getters, which is also called properties. So now we have created this class. And now we will create a list of this class in this form load event. And I will put semicolon at the end. So now we will add some student data here. So I have already copied that data. I will paste it right here. So I will control V it right here to paste it. So now we have all this data, 10 records, ID, name, father name, age and address. Now I'll declare this students globally so that we can use it later on in our searches. So I'll copy this from here and I'll paste it right here and I'll remove this. I'll put a semicolon here and I'll remove this one here. So now we have declared it globally so we can access it anywhere in our program. So now we will populate this data grid view with this list as a data source. So I'll use data grid view dot data source equals list students semicolon. If I run this right now, so now you can see that our data grid view is populated and we have all the data shown here. So now I'll close this and we will implement the search and this. So for that, I'll go to form again and I will double click on this text box to create a text change event. And now here we will implement our search and the data grid view. So for that, first we will get the value of text box. So string value equals text box 1 dot text dot toString semicolon. Now we will search this value and our list of students. So we will use here var filtered equals students dot where is dot id dot toString dot contains and here we will pass in value semicolon at the end, but we will do it for each field of the students. So here I will use or enter is dot name dot to lower dot contains and value. Similarly we will do it for others, but I will change this to lower dot to lower and I'll use or is dot father name dot to lower dot contains value dot age dot to string. We are changing it to string because we are getting the value from this text box as a string and here the age is an integer, so we are changing it to string. So now we will change it to list so that it serves as a data source for our data grid view. And at the end I'll use data grid view 1 dot data source equal to filtered. Now our code is complete, so let me explain. So here we are getting the value from text box as we are changing it to lower and to string. Then here we are searching the students list. Here we are asking it if is dot id dot toString dot contains if id contains this value that we are receiving from this text box, or this name contains this value, or this father name contains this value, or this age contains this value, or this address contains this value. So filter it and then change it to list and we serve that list as a data source to our data grid view. So our code is complete. So let's run this and let's check if it is working. So now it is running. So if I search for 20, so you can see it has filtered all the age with the 20s. So now if I search for some name Usman, so you can see that it is searching Usman. Now if I search for an address, So you can see it is searching for it is Peshawar, Pakistan. So in this way you can populate a data grid view in C# and implement the search functionality in it. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.